Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving into a topic that might sound a little counterintuitive. Why you should probably stop washing your hair every day. I know, we're all taught that squeaky clean is the goal. But what if I told you that overwashing could be the secret reason behind your hair troubles? Let's start with the science. But don't worry, I'll keep it simple. Your scalp naturally produces an oil called sebum. Now, sebum gets a bad rap, but it's actually your hair's best friend. It's a natural conditioner that keeps your strands moisturized, protected, and shiny. When you shampoo your hair every single day, you're constantly stripping away this essential oil. So, what happens when you strip away the sebum? Your scalp panics. It thinks, oh no, it's dry up here. I need to produce more oil. Stat. This kicks your oil glands into overdrive, creating a vicious cycle. You wash your hair because it feels greasy, but the washing itself is what's making it get greasy faster. You're essentially training your scalp to be an overachiever in the oil department. Sound familiar? This overwashing cycle doesn't just lead to greasy hair. It can also cause a whole host of other issues. When your hair is stripped of its natural oils, it becomes dry, brittle, and more prone to breakage and split ends. Your scalp can also become irritated and dry, leading to itchiness and even dandruff. Plus, if you color your hair, daily washing is the fastest way to fade that beautiful, expensive dye job you just got. You're literally washing your investment down the drain. So, how do we break the cycle? The key is to gradually extend the time between washes. I'm not saying you have to go from washing daily to once a week overnight. That would be a greasy, uncomfortable mess for most of us. The goal is to retrain your scalp to produce less oil. Start by skipping just one day. If you wash every day, try switching to every other day. Yes, that second day might feel a little challenging at first. This is where your new best friend comes in, dry shampoo. A good dry shampoo will absorb excess oil at the roots, add some volume, and help you push through to your next wash day. Spray it at the roots, let it sit for a minute, and then massage it in with your fingers or brush it through. Once you're comfortable with washing every other day, and you notice your hair isn't getting as greasy as quickly, try pushing it to every 3 days. Then maybe 4. The ideal frequency is different for everyone. It depends on your hair type, your lifestyle, and how much you sweat. Someone with fine, straight hair might find every 2 or 3 days is perfect, while someone with thick, curly hair might be able to go a week or even longer. Listen to your hair. It will tell you what it needs. During this transition, there are a few other things you can do to help. When you do wash your hair, focus the shampoo on your scalp only. That's where the oil and buildup are. The suds that run down the strands are enough to clean the rest of your hair, and be generous with conditioner, applying it from the mid-lengths to the ends to keep them hydrated. On your non-wash days, try some new hairstyles. Braids, Buns and ponytails are not only stylish, but are also great for hiding slightly less than fresh hair. Trust me, embracing a less is more approach to hair washing can be a total game changer. You'll save time, save money on products, and most importantly, you'll be on your way to healthier, more balanced, and beautiful hair. It takes a little patience, but the results are so worth it. Have you tried to wash your hair less? Let me know about your experience and any tips you have in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more hair care tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.